Can you guys see my screen? You can see my screen, right? Okay. So now my basic structure, you can see I have created the entire thing, but still the shape, like length and everything is I'm not very happy. So now I can, you can see I have a loft modifier, and if I open this, I have this shape option. Now I can go wherever I have applied a shape, I can go there and scale the shape, modify it. Now I can select the star, push it down, or maybe push it up. You can see it will hold the shape. It will hold the shape nicely. Then one more shape, and create this thing, entire thing. And now if I feel like, okay, this should be a little smaller, I can definitely do it. And I can control click both of them and scale it down slightly. I can do this also. This also works perfectly. And put the shape inside. See? So initially, if the shape is not 100% accurate, but later I can make it refine it basically. I can refine everything and it will automatically modify all the shape, everything nicely. And you can see my entire shape. And this is something I can do with the help of this also. Like suppose I have this shape, because this is still dependent of this thing. If I change anything here, it will modify this model as well. Like this, radius 0.6, I can reduce, I can increase, distortion, increase, decrease, make it rounded. See, then I have this shape. If I feel this is too big, make it thin. See, and this looks much better now. It looks like a screwdriver now, basically. So all these things can be done, like which is like super simple, super easy. To create this kind of structure and shape in Max is very easy. Because same thing, do it in some other software will become a little bit difficult. Like this, I can create a screwdriver. Practice like whatever I'm showing in class, go and practice this thing. And if you have any doubts, anything, ask me. I'll explain those things again and again. But because these are basics, you should know and should understand. It's not about copying what I'm showing. It's about understanding the process and understanding the tool. So understand that and do it. And if you want, you can try out with say some other shape. That is also fine. That will explore like what you can do with this shape, with this tool. Explore and create something that will make your life way easy. Okay, let's see. I'll give you one more example. This is a basic one tool I showed you how to create a small tool. Suppose I have a pipe. Let's see. Let's do something little complex. Okay, and this looks like you can see pretty complex shape. Now I want to create something, maybe a pipe, and like pipe. Then there is a connecting point. There is again connecting point or something like that. So top view, I'll go. and this radius will work. And this is the, or I can use this basic shape only. Like you can use any shape. So I have this line. Then go to your compound, this compound shape. Click on loft and get shape. So basic, this will start with a cylindrical shape. Entire thing become cylinder, right? Perspective, you can see throughout the cylindrical shape. So like if I want, I can definitely go here and increase, decrease things, but you can see like it looks pretty fine. So from 0, it's a round shape. So then come to 20, where it's this, the shape is still round. It freezes the round shape here, and now it changes the shape into star. Maybe from 25, get shape, you see, and then 25 to 30, same shape, and from 35 to till the end, again same thin shape. Then again I want to repeat the same process. Suppose get shape 35, so let's see, 50 this time. 50, again same shape, so it will hold the shape. Now I want to change it to bigger circle. So 52, select this, and 55, again select this, and then 57, go back to smaller shape. So entire pipe thickness throughout is same. In between there are small parts, small sections. So if you try to create it manually, it will take a much longer. And if you do it with the help of loft tool, you can do it super easily, super quickly. Or suppose you have the same shape repeating, you can create, like I created this thing. Let's do it, maybe 60, hold it here, and maybe 60, sorry, 62 star, 65, again this thing, and then 67, again the small circle. See, I can repeat the shape as much as I want, the way I want. So I can create all this kind of complex shape and geometry very easy, especially pipes, wire, or all those drain system. Like especially in gaming, you have a lot of wires and pipes and drainage, or like some hanging wire or something, or maybe some uh, like rods or something, or with intertwine this grill or something. In that case, how to create this? This is how we do it. And it's like super easy, super fast process. It makes your life way easier. And after, like this is like okay, create, this is like one thing. Like suppose I want to create a vase, flower vase. That is also I can do with the help of this. Let's see, let's do it. I'll delete this one. I have the line loft. Let's start get shape 0, this one, and then 100. Directly last shape is this starry shape. Okay, select the star. I can scale, nothing will happen. But if I go here, select this loft shape, select this, increase, decrease the shape very easily. Now it's too much. I created this entire thing, it's done. Now here you can see deformation. If I want to twist it, see, I can twist it really nicely. Scale option is there, bevel option is there, all these options are there. I can basically bevel everything, soften everything basically. but it's not very nice. Undo. And won't be well. So you can see, I can create twist and all these things, scale, I can modify path, shape, and everything. I can modify, I can go back to loft 15. The star came to 50, 50 now. Now deselect that. Loft, go to 17, get shape, circle again. And if I want to like make it little smaller, little more elegant, see, it becomes super easy. Now 70, maybe 75. I want to get the shape once again, starry shape. Top, shape, scale, keep it small only. Like what if I want some kind of groove or something? This is 75. So that means, and this one is 70. So 70, 75. If I want to do 74, deselect this and select this one. Sorry, select this one, move it down, move it down, and deselect 74, shape, same circular shape, shape, and then go to loft again, maybe 90, get shape, and maybe 100 also, same shape. You will lock the shape. Now I have all this shape and everything. I'm going to move it together, move. So like this, I can create really nice. Yes. So you can create, you can see, like same tool, same function, you can create so many things. It's just all about how you use it. If you understand the tool, you can use it anywhere, any way you want. So try this loft. Try this loft. And you can see I created a base, created a pipe, and then I created a screwdriver as well. So you can create all those things. And you can see, I'll show you this previously. There is a also have an old file. You can see I created this shape. Any kind of shape you can create so easily. You can see this is more of a bottle screwdriver. You can create random shapes like the way you want and generate that. Like you see all these pillars, columns. See, it generated with the help of this. You can create this thing super easy, super simple process. So try this thing out. And I'll mark attendance. All right, I have added. Just wait a minute. I have added this thing. Where is my users? Groups. Ashwin, Andrews, Arnold, Udas. Okay, I have so much of Mukherjee. What is your email ID?
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, my name is not there. Actually, my mail ID is premgopinath@gmail.com.
Yes. Um, this one, add. Okay, then your email ID is
Premgopinath@gmail.com.
Yes. Give me a second. Yes, I have added. So, is there anyone else in this class I missed? Okay, okay, let's see. Digital modeling. Can I share my 3D Max file in mail? Yes, you can share. I'll check it. Two. Session is already added. Yes, name came. Okay, done. You can send me your, if you have any doubts or anything, you can definitely send me your files. I'll check it and I'll create the submission folder. From this week, you have to make submission every week without fail. So you can do that. Okay, and practice this. If you have any difficulty, because these are like basics, you should understand. If there's anything like you can ask me, I'll explain everything again and again. You should understand this thing. Get all this like doubt clear. Like get all this doubts. Get it clear. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, tomorrow, whenever is the schedule, just cross check with the calendar. Max file. Okay.
So tomorrow there is no class. It's on Wednesday.
Okay, then Wednesday we'll meet. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Just like follow the weekly timetable and rest will be fine. Okay, then bye bye.